tagal naman mo, sir.
Oo nga eh. What's with the announcement kaya, guys?
Good morning, guys. Sorry, I'm late.
Speaking. Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
First, Samora.
He's out, sir.
Okay. Anyway, guys, listen. Naka-receive tayo ng urgent project. We need to came up with a new cover for Bachelor within 2 weeks.
What? 2 weeks, sir? The venue, the theme, the editing, the preparations. Sobrang mahirap yun for 2 weeks.
Alam kong masyadong limited yung binigay nilang time para sa atin. But we have no choice. Naprobahan na nila tong project na to.
But sir, maybe we can ask them for a week extension or kahit ilang araw pa po.
Oo nga po, sir. Baka hindi natin kayan for 2 weeks. Alam pa nabawasan tayo ngayon sa team.
Magbibigay naman po siguro sila ng considerations to us. Yes.
I already asked them for that, but they refuse. Masyado daw talagang urgent tong project na to. I'll trust you guys. Alam kong kaya nyo naman to gawin. I'll give the information to you later.
Guys, wait lang ha. Ang gulo natin eh, chill lang ha. Hindi tayo matatapos ng lalo eh.
Ay, grabe.
Gulo.
Okay, I think we need some break, guys. Pagod na tayo.
Guys, you want to?
Please, yes.
Ay, naku, buti na isip mo yan pare.
Sige, please ako rin.
Sige. Kukuha na rin ako ng food.
Okay.
So guys, what do you think? Okay ba yung concept?
Yun no, perfect. The best ka talaga version.
Siyempre guys, si Julien ang bahala sa designs and setups. So guys, Julien's masterpiece.
Oo ah. Pero siguro mas maganda kung kita yung dagat as our visual since summer get up naman yung team natin, diba? Yes, true.
Wait, may alam akong spot. I can have it.
So, setup na lang. Ay, photoshoot. Si Adrian na yan. Kayang-kaya na yan.
Hey, Captain.
Kaya natin to, guys.
Sabi na nga ba, nandito pa kayo eh. So, guys, what's with the plan?
Sir, meron na po sir. Bale, design and photoshoot then. That's it.
Yes, sir. We handle that.
Sabi na nga ba, kayang-kaya nyo yan eh. Kaya sa team nyo binigay ang project na yan eh. So, look at the time. It's too late na. Let's go home. Sige, uwi na rin kayo.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye. Bye.
Ingat po.
Madam.
Thank you, sir. Thanks. Thanks.
Let's give a toss.
Cheers!
Being the brain of this experience. Joey, being unique.